Place connects people and gives them a sense of belonging and rootedness. Connection to place is the most important factor that determines the ownership one's take of one's action and how one feels. Harrison, Clayton, and Stanley state that the place teaches us about how the world works and how our lives fit into the space we occupy. Anne Pello, a pedagogy for ecology, says that she desires that children have a sensual, emotional, and conscious to place the sweets of knowledge of earth, air, and sky. Also, Pello says that when the connection is made, an ecological identity allows us to experience the earth as our home ground and leaves us determined to live in honorable relationship with our planet. I quote, "Science is all around us, in everything we encounter. We just need to open eyes to the wonder of it. The best scientists ask questions, they wonder why things happen, and they are creative and open to discovery." Young and Alive. Science is the language that I choose to explore with others. The natural world is one of the best environments for me to explore, absorb, and enjoy. Nature pulls me into thought, action, and formulating my own ideas. Going on a nature walk and deliberately noticing things encourages us to observe with all our senses. We can learn to focus our attention and take in the details of things around us. It can be a peaceful, reflective experience for all of us. Dylan says that the nation of the environment consider as the third teacher and providing opportunities to us for learning through resources available in the environment. It is important to us to have the opportunity to discover the nature on our own, and when we connect with nature and freely explore its components, we can develop our own personal relationship with nature. This relationship will carry meaning into our understanding of nature. If we pay attention to our surroundings, we will be able to notice the shapes and colors of the plants around us, and we will be able to notice if they are healthy or unhealthy. Crane says that the nature helps to develop powers of observation and creativity and instills a sense of peace and being at one with the world. On my nature walk, I have noticed and interested in several natural materials like pine cones, grass, rocks, leaves, spiderwebs, sticks, frogs, fossil, and dirt. All of these provide endless possibilities for play and imagination to me, such as how I create a collage using these leaves and flowers, or how I color the pine cones. It is important to observe where and what we are interested in and support those interests by asking open ended questions like, "What did I discover? How does it feel? What do they look like? How does it move? And how does it grow?" When I observe the trees, I have noticed that leaves facing downwards, corolla inwards, stem no longer straight, and blackened areas on the leaves. And I have also noticed that how the changes happen in seasonal times in trees, and that was interesting. I can observe the changes and compare the data in every seasonal times, like what happens to trees and how they change their behavior according to the seasons. I decide to approach two trees such as grey gum small fruited tree and less bark tree as year long to inquiry the changes in every seasonal time and witness for the changes and explore the things and ask questions based on the data I collected, like what seasons we are in, how about the weather, and so on. I can monthly revisit and observe the changes of the trees, colors of leaves and quantity of the leaves, and so on. This process of revisiting, observing, discussing, reaching hypotheses, and document the findings will continue monthly. Each season and each changes will give us a lot of questions to explore the research, and we will have enough data to analyzing and exploring data to some extent to what will happen. Sometimes there are no any changes that I can see, but through this inquiry I will explore several things related to nature and I can add those findings to my learnings. I feel that this is such an interesting open-ended topic that gives us to so many opportunities to explore the different aspects of science, and this will give us to visual proof to how we are connected and how we are living.